What are the basic crochet stitches to learn when crocheting? Chain stitch, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and triple or treble crochet. First of all, simple, beginner-friendly stitches like the single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet are used in easy crochet blankets, scarves, hats, and all sorts of projects. Let's talk about the basic crochet sticks that you will need in order to learn how to crochet. These stitches will come in handy for whatever project you are working on. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Before you make your first stitch, you must learn how to make a slip knot or slip stitch to begin a chain, which is the foundation of a project. The slip stitch slip knot instructions. To make a slip knot, loop the yarn around your fingers, then use the hook to pull the second loop through the first loop. Next is the chain stitch. The chain stitch is how you begin your project. To make a chain stitch, start with a slip knot, then make a chain stitch by using the hook to pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Repeat to make a chain of desired length. Once you have the hang of the chain stitch, you can move on to single, double, and half double crochet stitches. Single crochet stitch SC. A single crochet is a basic crochet stitch that involves pulling a loop of yarn through another loop with a crochet hook. It's also known as a single stitch in crochet. Single crochet instructions. Work single crochet stitches into the chain stitches. Insert the hook into a chain stitch, then use the hook to pull up a loop of yarn. Yarn over, then pull through both loops on the hook. Double crochet stitch DC. Double crochet, DC, is a basic crochet stitch that is taller than the single crochet and half double crochet, creating a more open and airy fabric. It's great for making blankets, garments, scarves, and hats. Yarn over and pull through chain. You should have 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through remaining 2 loops. 1 double crochet has been made. Work 1 double crochet in each chain to the end. At the end of double crochet rows, chain 3 stitches to achieve the same height stitch as a double crochet. This is called a turning chain and it counts as the first double crochet on the next row, so the first double crochet is actually worked in the second stitch. Double crochet is one of the easiest stitches in crochet. Half double crochet HDC. Half double crochet HDC is a stitch that is taller than a single crochet but shorter than a double crochet. It is very versatile and is one of the most common stitches often used in crochet projects. Yarn over the hook and insert the hook in the third chain from the hook. Yarn over the hook and gently pull the wrapped hook through the center of the chain stitch, carrying the wrapped yarn through the stitch. Yarn over the hook and draw the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. Begin in the next chain of the foundation chain. Work across. Triple or treble crochet TR. Yarn over hook twice, then insert hook into next stitch. Yarn over hook and draw yarn through stitch. There are now 4 loops on the hook. Loop yarn over hook and draw through 2 loops, now 3 loops remaining on the hook. Yarn over hook and draw through 2 loops. Again, loop yarn over hook and draw through the last 2 loops on the hook, there is now 1 loop remaining. Now this completes the treble crochet. Once you learn the basic stitches, you can move on to learning different crochet stitches such as the granny square, shell stitch, crocodile stitch, blanket stitch, jasmine stitch, and many others. All which use a version of the basic stitches to create beautiful crochet projects. Once you learn how to crochet, you can create all sorts of items from hats to blankets, scarves, stuffed animals, sweaters, and more. If you want to learn more about crochet, click the link in the description below for beginners crochet kits, books, classes, and online guides. Hope you enjoyed learning about the basic crochet stitches. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more related videos.